Am I on?
Yes.
On both of them?
Yeah.
Alright, so what were we talking about before?
The things that blow
No,
up and
no. You said something. Oh, you wouldn't tell me what my Christmas present was.
yeah.
Is that one even pointed towards me?
Yes, they both are actually.
Alright.
They're just kind of not centered.
So you're all like, I'm not gonna tell you. And then I was like, ugh! And then. AJ. Ready? To be like, woo! And the wind stops, and then I'm like, oh no!
You're such a dork.
Shut him off.
I'll shut yours off.
Is yours still on?
Yes.
God!
That's because I have 259 minutes left. Don't throw that at me. Thanks.
This lands perfectly. Attack of the Samoas.
Oh, Jesus. It's gonna hurt.
You're gonna get that for you.
Oh.
She's at the candy shop, and then she's like, I'll let you lick the lollipop. Go ahead, girl, don't you stop. Keep going till you hit the spot. Whoa. Date movie.
We should watch that.
Yes. Yes.
Dude, we should seriously watch that.
Yes.
Mmm. Nintendo.